Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to move files and directories from one location to another location in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. First of all, I am going to show you how to move a file from one location to another location. I want to move this admin file from desktop to another directory in root. Now I am creating a directory mkdir back in root. Now I am going to move this admin file to back directory in root. mv for move admin, the source and the destination back. Now hit enter. Look to back directory. Now I am going to move multiple files from one location to another location. mv f star, that means all files starting with f will be moved from current location to another location. Root back. Now hit enter. Again check. All files starting with F has been moved from desktop to root back directory. Now I am going to move a directory from one location to another location. mv -r double a. I want to move this double a directory from current location to another location. mb, the source directory name, and the destination directory path, and the directory has been moved. Look, the directory has been moved to back directory. This is the easiest way to move files and directory from one location to another location in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.